line up to where the edge of the plate. Some printing machines you'd have one each there. Other printing machines you'd have two there, so you would start your job there. You know what I mean? Some firms you would start it down there. Other firms you would start it up there and make it print.
So you got
They had all these spread out. When you get a blinking 400-page book,
God, what a
not
job!
an ordinary book, you put together.
God, dear.
They would, well, no. They would, the boss or my manager, my mate, he would fold up all the pages, and you on blank paper, and then you'd unfold the paper, one sheet at a time, and you'd do that sheet, page 3, page 20, page 19, and then when they're printed, it's all supposed to be, in one. You can't have the one page number 2 up with number 99.
No, or once or whatever.
All got to run in order when it's printed.
God, what a job!
And there'd be a mark down the back to make sure you didn't go wrong. A little dot on each
one
plate, each printing plate.
So everybody had different jobs in there?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it'd come in, the bloke would photograph it, they'd come to us, we would plan it all up.
Was it all day work or was it shift work in there?
No, night staff.
Night staff and all?
Night staff,
So it's going all the time?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yes, it's,
so, Mr. Richard, your history I put on YouTube, you happy?
You can
carry
put me on.
Yeah?
I was, now this is my official title.
Yeah.
I was a lithographic planner.
That's it. And Mr. Jeff, what do you think?
I was just a plasterer.
Yes, plaster.
Well, I was a man of everything. Wired up being a decorator.
And going all history on YouTube. Yeah?
Man of